Welcome to Ash Ceramic Studio. Today we're going to make a pinch pot. To begin with, you'll need your bag of clay, your modelling tools and a sponge with a bowl of water. Start by opening your bag of clay. There'll be 2 pieces of clay inside the bag. You're only going to need one of those portions of clay for today's activity. Once you have the clay out of the bag, it's best to start moulding the clay in your hands just to warm it up a little bit and get it moving. At this stage, you want to start moulding it into the shape of a ball. You can do this by rolling it between your palms or moving it from one hand to another. You can also use the white board to roll it around to get that nice round shape. Now you're ready to start making your pinch pot. You need to use your thumb and the palm of your opposite hand. Push your thumb into the ball of clay, but making sure that it doesn't poke through to the bottom. You want to keep about 1/4 of an inch of thickness just at the bottom of the clay. This is where we'll begin the pinching process, hence the word pinch pot. Place your thumb inside the hole that you've just made and the ball of clay on your palm and move around the shape by pinching, making a pinching motion. As you can see here, I'm squeezing my thumb and my fingers together, spreading the clay out evenly. Continue pinching around the clay, working from the bottom of the pinch pot up to the top to the rim, until you have the desired shape and thickness that you like. Getting the desired shape and size can sometimes take a little bit of time, so I've sped this little bit up for you. Once you're happy with the size and shape of your pinch pot, you can then have a look and see if there's any little bits there you would like to fix. I do this by just grabbing my sponge and a little bit of water and just smoothing around the edges. You can also smooth the inside of your pinch pot where your finger marks have been and the outside, but make sure that you support the opposite side to where you're using the sponge with the palm of your hand. You can also use damp fingers to smooth across any parts of the pinch pot that you would like. Another tip to help smooth out any parts on your pinch pot is to use one of your modelling tools. You'll find these within your clay kit. When using your modelling tools, just make sure you always have the palm of your hand on the opposite side to where you're pressing the clay. This just gives it a little bit of support so that you don't poke a hole through it. Once you've finished smoothing out all the parts that you need on your pinch pot, we just need to leave it for roughly 24 hours to dry. Now it's time to decorate. You'll find in your kit that you have 3 different types of paint. You have bright paints, basic paints and a glitter set of paints, and also some paint brushes. Now it's up to you to decide how you would like to decorate your pinch pot.